Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to optimize a WordPress blog. So in order to do that, you need to head over right here to your WordPress blog, and then in here you can write your post. So as you see right now, I have completed 3 out of 5 steps. Head over and click on this write your first post, and then from in there you should be able to see in here the actual WordPress editor for your blog. In here you can add your post title. So for example, let's put in here how to clean your soul. And then you can put in here start writing, type anything that you want to put on your actual blog. So from in there, just type writing, and then once you're done writing, you can also have the option to add images. Just head over and click on this plus icon right here, and then search in here for images that you want. As you can see, you can add images you want. Then from in there, click on publish right here if you already want to publish this first blog that you have. Now, as you can see, we have now created the first post. Now, we're 4 out of 5. Head over and click on this launch your site right here in order to launch the site that you have. Now, as you can see, your site is now live. Now, you can head over and then view your site from in here. So, this is your actual site. So, as you can see, it's really plain. So, you can head over and then edit it out however you want by just going to the appearance right here and then choosing themes, editor, customization, and the likes. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.